Hi everyone, let's discuss our new cue card. Describe a foreign country or culture you want to know more about. You should say which country or culture it is, where it is, how do you know about it, why you want to know more about it. Please do not skip the video as I am going to tell you some cue cards with the same answer so that you can prepare easily for your speaking module. It will enable you to make one answer for 2 to 3 cue cards. Let's discuss all the points of the cue cards now one by one. Our first point is which country or culture it is. Owing to the globalization, international boundaries are now disappearing. Therefore, people are able to explore foreign countries and they can become familiar with the cultures of other countries. Although there are a number of nations which are extremely popular all around the world, here I am going to talk about a particular country about which I am keen to know more. This country is none other than Canada. Here, students can also use the word due to instead of owing to, and a word therefore is a connector which improves your coherence, which means it shows connectivity between the sentences. Then I started a sentence with the although. As I told you earlier, it shows your grammatical range. So try to have at least one such sentence in your cue card. It will be easier if you make this sentence before mentioning the first part of your cue card. For example, when you want to say which country or which culture, which city, which movie, and so on, you can make a sentence using the word although. For example, you can say, although I have watched various movies, here I am going to talk about my favorite movie. Or the next sentence is, although I have visited many cities, here I am going to talk about my favorite city. So you can easily make this sentence here. I am keen means I am interested in. Let's move to the second point now. Our second and third points are where is it and how you know about it. Before discussing this point, let me tell you another cue card with the same answer. The cue card is describe a good decision you made recently. You can say, I recently decided to visit Canada or Australia or United Kingdom for my study purposes or for other reasons. Then you can give the same reasons mentioned in this cue card. So keep watching because I will tell you a second similar cue card soon. Now let's discuss the point. It is far away from the place where I live, which is located in the northern part of North America. This country is famous all around the world due to the diversity in its culture. Initially, I read about this country in my school curriculum, and now many of my friends are studying there. So they always tell me various things about this country. That's why I'm quite familiar with this country. In this point, I have made a sentence using the word which. If you combine any sentence by using this word, it becomes a complex sentence like shown in the first sentence of this point. Diversity in culture means people from different cultures are living in Canada or Australia or whatever the country you are discussing here. Another thing which I want you to know is that you can speak about any country here that you like, such as Australia, Singapore, and United Kingdom, and so on. Our next point is why do you want to know more about it? I am inclined to know more about this country because I have plans to continue my study abroad. If I know about the culture and traditions of this place, then it will be easier for me to adjust there. As I know that English is one of the dominant languages in Canada, I am preparing well in time to be fluent in this language so that I don't have any issues to communicate there. I am inclined means I am interested in or I have the desire to know more about this country. Our second cue card with the similar answer would be describe an ambition you have for a long time. You can answer the cue card with the same answer. You can say, I have an ambition to visit my dream country, Canada, because there are more opportunities for the students, for the workers, or other points can also be added that are mentioned in this cue card. So, this is your second cue card with the same answer. Moreover, being a nature lover, I am into knowing more about this place. There are picturesque views and it is fully attributed to natural beauty. I will get a golden chance to sit in the lap of the nature. Due to all these reasons, it will be incredible to have first hand information of Canada. Picturesque means beautiful and attractive views. Attributed means it has the beauty of the nature there. And sit in the lap of nature is also a good word to use in this cue card. So, all these points are good to use in order to get higher band score in your speaking module. If you like the video, please like and comment and also subscribe for more IELTS videos.